Okay, Glam Squad. Guys, I'm really happy because I went online shopping and I found something that I think is great, but you and we're gonna see if it's great together. So there's a makeup company called Il Makiage. I don't really know how to pronounce it, so bear with me. But essentially, this company is supposed to, I guess, change the game in the makeup world. It's supposed to be makeup that really is, I guess, fitting to your true skin tone. It's supposed to match your undertones, your overtones, your all around tones. It's really supposed to be like the makeup of your dreams. So I decided we have nothing else better to do. We are in quarantine. We might as well. You feel me? So again, the name of the website is called Il Makiage, spelled ILMAKIAGE. And let me just cover this up so I can show you guys exactly what it looks like. I'm just gonna cover my information. So this is the package. This is how it comes. I just have to go ahead and cover up, you feel me, my address and all that good stuff like that. But that's essentially the packaging. Yeah, so basically this company, this brand is doing this thing where they want people to try the makeup. I don't believe this is a temporary free trial. I think this is just the whole like theme of the website. Like I think that's how you use the website essentially. You would get like a 14-day trial, you test the makeup. If you match the makeup, if you fall in love with the makeup, you get to keep it and they charge your card. If you don't like it, send it back. No worries. I will have you know that you have to pay shipping. It's $5 for shipping. So let's talk about really quick before I open up this package how I even had this package come to my house. So I went on the website. They're gonna ask you a series of questions about like what kind of foundation are you looking for? Are you looking for full coverage? Are you looking for normal coverage? Like they're gonna ask you like about your undertones. They're gonna ask you if you have like oily skin. They're gonna ask you what kind of foundations you look for. And then you're gonna have to fill out some questions about what you think your foundation is supposed to look like. So then they put pictures of different people's skin and skin tones in these boxes, and they ask you kind of like different questions that's supposed to fit that categories, if that makes sense. So maybe like for me, like they showed me like 5 different people with brown skin, like 5 different types of brown skin, and I had to try my best to pick like I guess the skin tone that would go right with my face. And then they take all that information and they put together the right color for you. So they did that for me. I did have to pay $5 for shipping. I wasn't charged for anything else until I looked at my bank account, I think later that night, and they definitely took a mean $80 from me. And that's a lot of money, especially for some foundation. So with my order, what I peeped is that they gave me concealer too. So inside of here should be concealer and foundation. So I'm opening my little package right now. This is what it looks like. I just popped it open real quick. That's what it looks like. You feel me? Oh, okay. So this is my Il Makiage box. This is how it comes. Oh, this is pretty. I want to open it for you guys so you can see. So it comes just like that. Ignore that in the background. People decide they want to watch me now while I'm recording. So it just comes like that. Comes with a card with the brand logo on it. And it just basically says over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. And basically it's just giving you instructions on how to, I guess, wear the makeup and enjoy it. So let's get to the real nitty gritty of it all. So after I move the card, this is what it kind of looks like in the box. It's just my 2 products in here. This is my foundation. This is my concealer. Okay. And then I think the receipt's in the box too. I'm just gonna put this to the side. Drop it down for a second. So I guess the good side of the plus like to ordering from this company for your free trial is that if you're not satisfied with this makeup, you can always return it. And the shipping is free, like return shipping is free. So that's a plus. Let's unbox this really quickly. I'm guessing this is like magnetic. So I guess the color that they suggested for me based off the survey I filled out, the name of the foundation is Woke Up Like This in the number 225. So that's the foundation color that they suggested for me. This is how the foundation comes. Okay. And then the packaging's pretty cute too. And here it says, dramatic pause, please. You guys can't really see because of the lighting. And then the concealer. The concealer they gave me was Fuck I'm Flawless 14.5. And it looks... Oh, the concealer bottle's cute. The packaging is cute. All in all, the packaging's really fly. It's fly packaging. Alright, so let's go in with the foundation. Okay. I'm gonna pop the little tabs off. This is so exciting. I wonder if I have to shake this foundation before I use it. We'll see. I'm gonna shake it up. Okay. And I'm not exactly sure what type of top this is. I'm guessing it's a pop top. Oh, it's not a pop top. It's a twist off. Interesting. So this is exactly how it looks. So it's not a brush, it's more like a stick thing. You guys see it? Oh, I got a lot on. This is like a wand. I don't know how I feel about this. It's possible that I might have put too much on right now, but it's all good in the hood. I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna go in with my little silicone pad. Let's blend this out, friends. So when I was answering some of the survey questions that they was asking, like they asked about like undertones and all those things like that, I honestly do not have an undertone. Like I feel like I'm just brown all around. It's very possible I put too much foundation on. And I chose normal coverage. Like I don't have bad skin or skin with blemishes, so I don't need heavy coverage compared to some people who actually need it. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. You guys are looking at me, so y'all can tell me how you feel about this here foundation in the comments below. This foundation is not like my normal foundation. My normal foundation that I use is I think L'Oreal. Oh, I'm not liking this. I think it's L'Oreal, and that one's like a squeeze pump, and it's a light foundation. Like the foundation is like flowy. This one is like hard to move. It kind of reminds me of like stick foundation. Like it's not as like free flowing as you think it looks. Also, possibly I could have put way too much on because I didn't know what to expect or how this was finna come out. But so far, I'm like not liking this. I look mad like orange. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for this makeup. It's alright. Like I decided to put a shirt on for y'all. Put on a little half wig. By the way, if you like this half wig, I made a video about it. I'll put that in the bio as well. But this is the makeup. Let me see if I can get close for you guys. It's all right. Let me see. I'm gonna shut off the light and see if it's still, if it like blends properly. So I shut off like one of like my lights. Let me see if I can shut off. I could shut off maybe this one. Turn this one back on and shut this off. And that's what that looks like with one of my lights. It's still like bright outside. Let me see if I can shut that off and show you guys. So that's what it looks like in natural light. Pretty sure I can show you guys what I look like in front of this is in front of the natural light. Yeah. That's what I look like in front of the natural light. Put you guys back. So yeah. The foundation itself, for my color, it blends alright. You feel me? Like it's not the best, but like it did a decent job. I didn't put it all the way to my neck, but I guess you can say it matches me now that I'm looking in the mirror. Yeah, you can say it matches me. I just don't like the way it feels. Like that's the honest to God truth. My foundation is actually this one. In comparison, like I don't know, this one was like a lot smoother, a lot lighter. This one felt like I was trying to put paint on my face, and I didn't really like that. Maybe this was one of like the heavy coverage foundations that they sent to me, but I don't need heavy coverage. I like my foundations to go on smooth, light, and flowy. And I like my foundations to feel like I'm not wearing any makeup. I definitely feel like I'm wearing makeup. It was just a little heavier to put on, that's it. It's not bad. Like I definitely feel like it's worth trying. Like I feel like if you saw this video and you was interested in this brand, like it's definitely worth giving it a shot. It is $5 for shipping, and they do charge your card the money for the foundation. I think the foundation's like $60, something like that, and the concealer is like $20, something extreme like that. So that's another thing to understand is the concealer and the foundation is a bit pricey. I just could have sworn the foundation's like a mean $60 and the concealer is definitely like $20. That is more than I pay for my own makeup. Like this foundation is only I think like $10 or $12 or $15 at the most. And then the concealers I use are the LA Pro Girl concealer, and occasionally I might use the Morphe concealer here and there, but I've just been true to the game. Like I don't care what nobody says. Those two products like have done wonders for me and my face over the years, more than any MAC or any top counter brand has ever done for me. So that's another thing to understand too, is that the products are a bit pricey if that's something that you want to pursue. But like I said, it is a free 14-day trial, so as long as you return the items within the 14 days, if you're not feeling them, you get your money back completely. I think you get everything back except for the free except for the $5 shipping fee you had to get for the products to come to you. I did read in my packaging that you can return the products for free, which is great. I'm probably gonna end up returning these products. I'm really not feeling them that much. I wasn't really wowed. I thought I was gonna be wowed, but I definitely wasn't. I do recommend every one of you guys to try it. Like at least try it. Like if you have a spare $5, try it. Warning, like I said, they will charge your card for that $70 something or $60 something or whatever the amount is. But try it. I mean, we're in quarantine. Like you really have nothing else to do but to try the foundation. So it was all right. Will I buy from this brand again? I'm not sure. I know they have other things on their website. Maybe. But as far as this foundation, it did match me to an extent, but I don't know, I wouldn't trust it. Like I just, for me, for my color, I don't know if I trust it. I feel like it looks fine now, but I feel like if I went outside, like it won't look the same. Maybe I did not curate the proper colors. So it's kind of hard to test foundation through a computer and look at other colors that kind of are similar to yours. So like I said, I recommend to try it. I will put everything down below in the description box for you guys to do what you please with it. But $5 shipping, free return, 14-day trial. Like we're literally in quarantine. Like you have nothing else better to do than to try this on your own. So yes guys, that was the review for this foundation. Okay, if you liked this video, if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button down below and tell everybody you know about me in this video and my channel. Tell your mom, tell your friends, tell your auntie, tell your sisters, tell your cousins, tell everybody you know about me in this channel. Alright guys, go enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.